Hi guys, I am Kate Luis Ocampo and this is my transfer task in ICT. And today, I will show you how to install computer system and network. What are we waiting for? Let's move on to the video. So first, I will tell you what is installing computer system. Installation or setup of a computer program, including device, drivers, and plugins, is the act of making the program ready for execution. Installation typically involves code being copied, generated from the installation files to new files on the local computer for easier access by operating system. Now, let us know the parts of a computer. First, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instruction given to it in a variable program. So the first one is a computer monitor or monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial form. A monitor usually comprises the visual display, circuitry, casing, and power supply. The display device in modern monitors is typically a thin film transistor liquid crystal display (TFT LCD) with LED backlighting having replaced cold cathode fluorescent lamp CCFL backlighting. Older monitors use a quad-code ray tube (CRT). Monitors are connected to the computer via VGA Digital Visual Interface, DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt, Low Voltage Differential Signaling, LVDS, or other priority connectors and signals. Next is CPU or Central Processing Unit. A central processing unit (CPU), also called a central processor, main processor, or just processor. It is the electronic circuitry within a computer that executes instructions that make up a computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic controlling, and input or output I/O operations specified by the instruction in the program. The computer industry used the term Central Processing Unit as early as 1955. Traditionally, the term CPU refers to a processor, more specifically to its processing unit and control unit (CU), distinguishing these core elements of a computer from an external component such as main memory and I/O circuitry. The next one is a computer mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. The next one is a computer keyboard. A computer keyboard is a typewriter-style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches, replacing early punch cards and paper tape. Technology. Interaction via teleprinter style keyboards have been the main input method for computers since 1970s, supplemented by the computer mouse since the 1980s. Next, we have headphones. Headphones are a pair of small loudspeaker drivers worn on or around the head over a user's ears. They are electroacoustic transducers, which convert an electrical signal to a corresponding sound. Headphones let a single user listen to an audio source privately, in contrast to a loudspeaker which emits sounds into the open air for any nearby to hear. Headphones are also known as ear speakers, earphones or kulikuli cans. Headphones use a band over the top of the head to hold the speakers in place. Another type, known as earbuds or earpiece, consists of individual units that plug into user's ear canal. A third type are bone conduction headphones, which typically wrap around the back of the head and rest in front of the ear canal, leaving the ear canal open. In the context of telecommunication, a headset is a combination of headphones and microphone. Next, we have computer speakers. Computer speakers or multimedia speakers are speakers sold for use with computers, although usually capable of other audio uses, e.g. for an MP3 player. Most such speakers have internal amplifier and consequently require a power source, which may be by a mains power supply, often via an AC adapter, batteries, or USB port. The signal input connector is an often a 3.5mm jack plug, usually color code lime green per the PC99 standard. RCA connectors are sometimes used, and USB port may supply both signal and power, requiring additional security and only suitable for use with a computer. Battery-powered wireless Bluetooth speakers require no connections at all. Most computers have speakers of low power and quality built in. When external speakers are connected, they disable the built-in speakers. Altec Lansing claims to have created the computer speaker market in 1990. Next, we have a printer. A printer is a peripheral device which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on a paper. While most output is human-readable bar code, printers are an example of an expanded use for printers. The different types of printers include 3D printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer, and etc. And last one, we have a webcam. A webcam is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in real time to or through a computer to a computer network, such as the internet. Webcams are typically small cameras that sit on a desk, attached to a user's monitor, or are built into the hardware. Webcams can be used during a video chat session involving two or more people, with conversations that include live audio and video, for example, Apple's iSight camera. Now, let us assemble the computer system and network. First, put the motherboard inside the case. Then, install the processor. Next, put the heatsink on the top of the processor and pin it in the motherboard. Then, align the RAM to its socket. Push down evenly with the thumb until the black latches raise to the closed position. Then, put the hard disk drive inside the case. Put the DVD drive inside the case. Put the power supply inside the case. Then, connect all the connectors. Last, cover the system unit. That's all guys, we're done. I hope you learned something new. Thank you all guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!